Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're reviewing what we consider the best foot spa bath massager with bubbles currently on the market. The KNQZE Collapsible Foot Spa Bath. Let's dive right into what makes this foot spa a standout choice for anyone looking to relieve stress, improve circulation, or simply pamper their feet at home. The KNQZE Collapsible Foot Spa Bath is an all-in-one solution. From the moment you unfold it, you're greeted with a thoughtfully designed spa system that combines heat, bubbles, vibration, 16 massage rollers, a pumice stone, red light therapy, and even a dedicated medicine box for herbal foot soaks. This is not just a foot bath, it's an entire relaxation session for your tired feet. The heat function is adjustable with 3 different temperature settings that go up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit or 45 degrees Celsius. You can select your preferred warmth using the wireless remote control or the one-touch button located right on the basin. This dual-control setup offers flexibility and is especially handy for those who prefer simple, user-friendly interfaces. Bubbles and vibration add a luxurious spa-like feel to the experience. When the bubbles rise and gently massage your feet alongside the 16 manually operated rollers, you get an effective and soothing kneading sensation that targets pressure points. And yes, the rollers are designed to stimulate acupressure zones, so it's not just comfort, you're also getting therapeutic benefits. Add to that the built-in pumice stone for exfoliation and the red light therapy feature, which may help with circulation and skin rejuvenation. These additions elevate the whole experience beyond just a basic foot soak. The collapsible design is one of the most practical features. When fully extended, the basin is spacious enough to accommodate various foot sizes comfortably. But once you're done, it folds down to just 4.1 inches thick, making it incredibly easy to store under a bed, in a closet, or even a bathroom cabinet. It's lightweight at only 4 pounds, yet made from high-quality plastic that holds up well even with frequent use. It also includes a timer function. You can press once for a 20-minute session or twice to extend it to 60 minutes. This allows for a customized and energy-efficient experience, especially if you like to relax for longer periods without having to reset anything. From a safety standpoint, it features hydroelectric separation and temperature protection systems, ensuring that your session remains safe and worry-free. Whether you're using it daily or occasionally, these systems give you peace of mind. In terms of aesthetics, the black color option looks modern and fits well into almost any bathroom or living space setup. It's clean, sleek, and doesn't feel out of place wherever you decide to use it. Honestly, anyone who spends long hours standing, walking, or just wants to unwind at home. It's also a perfect gift for family members, partners, or friends, especially for birthdays or Mother's Day. It offers premium features at a mid-range price and brings that spa feeling right into your home. To sum it up, the KNQZE Collapsible Foot Spa Bath Massager is a smart investment for your health and relaxation. With its high-end features, portability, and thoughtful design, it's easy to see why it earns the title of Best Foot Spa Bath Massager with Bubbles. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the video description for the product link. See you in the next review.